Good evening and a very warm welcome to Jamnagar. Hello everyone. If we can just pause for a second. And may I please request all our esteemed guests to come up front. We're about to begin with the family speeches for tonight. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a joyous occasion as we gather to celebrate the union of my beloved brother Anant and his bride-to-be Radhika. I must take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the incredibly talented Shivani, whose beautiful voice has added an extra layer of magic today. Thank you, Shivani. Most of all, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for